it's me, Mish the Young Chef. Today we'll be making Oreo milkshake. So, let's start with the ingredients. Milk, Oreo biscuits, vanilla ice cream, and chopped nuts. Start with the first step. First we put the Oreo in the mixer. Vanilla ice cream. And the milk. Let's grind it. It's time to decorate my Oreo chocolate milkshake. First we put ice cream. Then some nuts. That's really good. That is so good. And don't forget to like and subscribe my page called Mish the Young Chef. Peace out. Wait, do I have a mustache? These messy things.